Good morning, friends. I am Mr. I am Mr. Asana, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, SM College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Chandravali, Chitradurga. Today, I would like to discussion about prostitution. In that, we will discussion about meaning, nature, types, effects, and controlling measures. Meaning, the prostitution is the act of practice of prostitution or offering the body to an indiscriminate intercourse with men. Common levelness of women. The term prostitution derived from the Greek word prosida, which means waiting woman in front of the brothels home or public places or attractive women. Definition. According to Webster Dictionary, prostitution is the act of setting oneself to sale or dealing to infamous purposes what is in one's power has the prostitution of abilities, the prostitution of the pros. Second one, George May. Prostitution is offering sexual intercourse for pay. And next one, Eliot and Merrill. Prostitution is engaging sexual activity with another person in exchange for compensation without feelings. W. J. Robinson. Prostitution is indiscriminate sexual intercourse for pay, which means without discrimination, the women participate in sexual intercourse with the men for pay, money, or property, or wealth, or ornaments, or another valuable things. Features. It is intercourse for the money or thing. Indiscrimination coercion. One way emotional feelings. Here, the woman feeling less being in that situation, but men he has been more emotional feelings. And next one, it may be homosexual or heterosexual. Maybe two sexual intercourse occur in our society. It may be permanent or temporary. Some women adapted the prostitution job sometime, and other time they are working another job for earning. It may be permanent or temporary. Loveless, reactionless relation. It is depend upon only pay for the money or thing. So here love and affectionate and reactions is not important. It may be legal or illegal. In society, the prostitution, some part of society become legal, and other and in other societies it is illegal. It may be voluntary or enforced. Sometime for the life leading, the woman selected the prostitution job voluntary himself. Sometime she enforced by vested interest for this work, not dependent time and place. The prostitution job has not a particular time or place, any time or any place that is may be possible. It may be open or secret. Some societies giving a permission to prostitution in open, and in some society it is occurred in secret. Different names of pros. Some words using for the identification of prostitution or pros: Devadasi, Sule, Mangalamukhi, Basavi, Nitya Sumangali, Nayak Sani, Ganaki, Rupajabi, Jogati, Pendagati, and Nathis. So these are some another names called for the pros. Types of prostitution. According to H. Benjamin, we may be classified some popular types of prostitution in his book Prostitution in Society. First one, ordinary pros. They are available in public places or street, corners, so and so. Brothels pros. They are available in brothels home or some residence or some homes. They are not available in a public place or street or another place. They are working in her or leaders or our his boss brothels or residences also. Next one, hotel pros. They are available in hotels, example 5-star hotels or international hotels or ordinary hotels. They are available for this work. And next one, hereditary pros. They are adapted the hereditary job like agriculture, like so and so. The old woman adopted the prostitution and young generation and young lady continued the pros job or pros work, that is called hereditary pro. Call girls, they are connected with the phones or social media or another medias. And next one, religious pros. They are like a Devadasi, sometimes Jogati or so and so. International pros. So for international, like a Africa, America, Singapore, England, they are job holders or pros coming to India and working as a pros and working as a sexual worker in hotels, in public places, and so and so. Internal pros. So they are not identified like a pros, but they are working a sexual worker. White collar pros. They are aristocrat. They are working so costly things and costly rate and costly life. Residential pros. They are working in a residence. They are calling to her home or a residence or a apartment and getting some money or a thing and so and so. They are working as a pros. What is the causes for the prostitution in India? First one, poverty and unemployment. So this is main important. So many people, so many families suffer from poverty and unemployment. Both are two faces in same kind. Where there is poverty, there is unemployment. Where there is unemployment, there is poverty. So poverty support for the prostitution, because for the life leading dependents or dependees or education, health or food or house, so and so. So earning way, it is one of the way for the life leading prostitution. Second one, growth of population. And the third one, family and social disorganization. Fourth one, influence of social evils like Devadasi system, Jogati, and so and so. And next one, mental and physical factors. And next one, religious factors. And next one, hereditary factors. And eighth one, neighborhood and double standard morality. And natural calamities and demand and supply and natural disasters. And next one, polygyny and divorce and other reasons the woman working as a pros in her life. Mass medias, lack of sexual education among the youths, mediators and pimps, vested interests, loss of love and affectionate. So these are reasons for the prostitution. And the next, industrialization and urbanization also. And what is the effects of prostitution? Loss of money and value and dignity. Both men and women also lost her money and value and dignity. And social disorganization, family and individual disorganization, imbalance of future life, neglected by relatives, friends, and society, obstacle to morality, exploitation on women, decline of cultural relation, degrade position to children, transmission of some diseases, STD, sexual transmission diseases. So these are effects from prostitution. Next, what is the measures solve the problem? First one, it is one of the carbide of body of society. Moral support to press or pras children. Some society giving insult position to pras children. So it is not a mannerism. We must provide a suitable value and suitable moral support to pras children and provide self-employment facilities. Those who are working as a sexual worker or prostitution, we must provide alternative employment facilities for life leading. Then we may be control the prostitution. Provide rehabilitation facilities to pros. Provide self-employment or self-training facilities or financial help facilities through the bank or cooperative societies or commercial banks, less interest and easy installment to self-employment or self-employment training to pros. And the next one, create humanity feelings in society and pros. We must support to life leading of pros. Some society has giving insult and harassment so and so, but we must support to moral support pros and pros children's, provide medical facilities. So many prostitutes suffer from health and mental, physical and psychological diseases. So we must provide medical facilities to free medical facilities to prostitutes, establishment of counseling centers. Yes, it is need essential for the those who are committed to prostitution. We must counseling to youths or young women for the removing or far away from the prostitution. Create general awareness among publics about prostitution. Create general awareness evil effects of prostitution. We must create awareness among the publics and create vigilance and publicity of evil effects of prostitution in society. Functions and campaigns. We arrange the functions, meetings, campaigns for the propaganda of evil effects of prostitution and provide suitable facilities to prostitutes for life leading and provide educational facilities to pros children, provide job opportunities to pros children. And next, strict legislations. In Indian society, the legislations is more, but active legislations is less. So we must adopt strict legislations for the controlling of prostitutions. Establishment of social courts. Social courts is a need for the rapid settlement of cases or judgments. Appointment of women advisory committee or women advisory council for the identification of prostitutes and provide a good suggestions and valuable guidelines for the prostitutes that is the need. So we must appointment of women advisory committee or council, regional women institutes for the women in moral danger, those who are committed or those who are harassed by vested interests or another reasons. We must support for the removing that. So some institutions is need. We must establishment of regional women institution for the women in moral danger, support to sexual education. Yes, we must support introduce sexual education in higher level, example degree, UG and PG, undergraduate and postgraduate education syllabus. One part of or part of syllabus we must introduce control of unnatural sexual relations. So unnatural married women linked with unmarried men or married men linked with unmarried women. So these are illegal unnatural sexual relations. We must control that. And next one, remove the double standard morality in society. Men dominant, men can do anything, but there is no permission to women. So that is discrimination and partiality to both. So the system must and should remove the removing in society. Publicity of prostitution, negative effects or evil effects. And next one, the role of mass medias. The mass medias like e-medias or print medias must and should publicity evil effects of prostitution and programs and plans and schemes. So many plans and so many schemes and so many programs available from government, central and state government and some NGOs and some voluntary organizations. Support for the removing of prostitution. The mass media must and should publicity that programs. Legislations. First one in 1923, Bombay Prevention of Pros Act. 1924, Cantonment Act. 30, Madras Prevention of Prostitution Act. 1933, Bengal and Uttar Pradesh Act. 1934, Protection of Devadasi Act of Mumbai. 1935, Punjab Prevention of Prostitution Act. 1947, Madras Devadasi Protection Act. 1948, Bihar Act. 1953, Madhya Pradesh Act. 1956, Prevention of Immoral Traffic of Women Act. These are legislation for the controlling of prostitution in India. HIV, AIDS, causes, effects and measures. The prostitution has its own thing, that is HIV or AIDS. The AIDS is a part of prostitution. The prostitution create AIDS problem. AIDS, which means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is caused by virus called HIV. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. That is one of the virus. This virus is fatal and dangerous because it destroys the immune system in the human body and remains in the body for years together without any visible symptoms. This virus is smaller than bacteria and it's not observable even with the microscope, like nowadays corona. The virus can be transmitted to other persons in a number of ways. It takes about 8 to 10 years between getting infected with HIV and developing AIDS. No vaccine has been invented till today as a cure for AIDS. The first AIDS case of a person of 45 years of age was detected in America in 1959. In India, the first case of HIV infection was reported in May 1986 in Madras. WHO estimated that 11 to 13 million people are infected with HIV. Causes. What is the causes? First one, unprotected sexual intercourse. So prostitution is one of the bedrock for the rising of AIDS or HIV. And second one, homosexual, that is one of the reason. Transfusion of blood and blood products infected with HIV. Injecting drugs with infected needles, infected mother to her unborn child. What is the effects? It is not a health problem, it is a societal problem. It threatens the basic social institutions. National expenditure for health, no source to earners, dead family, infected person become alone in society. Pathological laboratories, prostitutes, prison accused, transport workers, use of blade or shaving particularly, the victims are sacked from their jobs, refused treatment by doctors, rejected by their friends and relations, turned down by school, college, universities, suffer from psychologically and socially. Views suffer from the problems after the bereavement of the young married victims, widowhood, children, orphanhood, imbalance of future life, decline of morality. Our next measures, our central and state government are yet to enumerate clear-cut strategies the spread of the virus. It is not likely that we will have a vaccine or a cure for AIDS in the foreseeable future. Its spread therefore can only be controlled through preventive education for behavioral change. That safe sex by using condoms, training to doctors for identify of symptoms, identity of STD patient. STD means sexual transmission disease patient. Blood products must be tested. The HIV test should be made free and confidential. The doctors should ensure that injecting equipment is sterilized. Condoms should be freely distributed in public places and other places. Drug users should be persuaded to stay away from intravenous drug use. Publicity of AIDS effects, social support to infected, proper utilization of AIDS funds. So, million together provided government and central government, state government and NGOs for the controlling of AIDS. So we must proper utilize of AIDS funds, suggest to infected for care and treatment and prevention of infecting others. And next one, caring of those patients with compassion could help them to die with dignity. Support to family of the patient. Conduct educational campaigns. Counseling to patient and counseling centers. Increase strength of social worker and paramedical staff. Behavior change program. The role of mass media. The role of NGOs and voluntary organizations. Thank you.